What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you're all having an awesome day. An update here on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. Now, what do we have right here? And as you can see, price is still inside the level of resistance and rejection area, which is right here in yellow. Now, it is very important for the price to break above this high for trend continuation towards the upside, or it must form a bullish engulfer above 50 EMA. Now, let's say if this current candle closes as a bullish engulfing candle, that will be a valid buy signal as well. If you're someone who want to go for a scalp, that is a good entry if that turns out to be a bullish engulfing pattern. If not, we can still see some pullbacks above 50 EMA and then a bullish engulfing pattern. That is all we need to look at. I still need to do my EMA settings. As you can see, the setting has been changed. This is my EMA line. I'm going to change it to red. It is 50 EMA and that is 20 EMA. So either we can get a condition above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer exactly like this, or if we are broken above these highs only, then we're going to start to look for the buy trades. For now, we have a bearish inventory report here on net gas as well. As you can see right here, the inventories came more than expected. Right here means we have a bearish inventory report. If you have not seen how to read net gas inventories, I have a video in my playlist, or you can see the card up there. You can click and watch how to read the net gas news event. So for now, bullish engulfer is something I'm looking at either above 50 EMA or right here, or break above these high for my next buy trades. For now, we can still get a possible push down, looking at a nice double top pattern. Looking at on daily time frame, we are getting a red candle. If that turns out to be a red candle, we can see a good push down, a good pullback, could be above 50 or 20 EMA on daily time frame as well, by keeping a stop loss above this rejection box. So keep an eye. These are the conditions I'll be closely looking at for my net gas trades. And on capital.com, exactly the same. As you can see, we are still not broken above these first top. So we are still intact with the double top pattern. If that turns out to be a red candle, that can be a sell signal on a daily time frame. We can see a possible big and deep pullback to 50 or 20 EMA followed by bullish engulfer. If we have that on 4-hour time frame, then we're going to go long. Or if you're looking for your entries on a daily, that's totally up to you. You can take your entries on daily as well. Look for bullish engulfer above 50 or 20 EMA and double top right here if we have that. So not buying unless we are above these highs right here, or we have a bullish condition above 50 and 20 EMA. For the trend continuation, for the price to trending higher, we must see a price to break above these highs. But for the scalp, for the buy trade, we can see a bullish engulfer. We can go long till these areas, exit here, and see if we break and close above these highs or not. Next up, we have Oanda. Right here, as you can see, we have a valid bearish engulfing candle. Right here, that is a valid sell signal, and looking at that, we can see a possible push down here either to 20 or 50 EMA. If we have a bullish engulfing pattern, we can go long. By keeping a stop loss above this wick and take profit can be 1-to-1 right from here. If you have seen my yesterday's video, I've said that if we have a bearish engulfer in this area, we can go short. Let me show you the clip from my last video. Let's say if this candle is not this big enough, only then I'm going to take my trade. But if let's say close right here, I will not take it as an entry, but instead I'll look for my double top condition, which is something I've already mentioned on 4-hour and on 1-hour time frame. So keep looking for that. Double top here on 1 hour looks something like this. Rejection zone looks something like this. Awesome. So as you can see, area is 550, and as you can see right from here, the price has already pushed down almost 4 points or 40 points, 50 points something. I look for the smaller target, and bigger targets can be stop loss here, take profit can be 1-to-1 initially, or you can manage your trades accordingly. So that's all I'll be looking at. Just look for the bullish condition above 50 EMA or above these highs. For now, expect a good and deep pullback. Looking at this bearish condition here on Oanda, and looking at on daily time frame as well, we are getting a possible double top pattern. Next up, we have gold. Gold is now in a process of a pullback. This is just a pullback, not one of my buy condition. Looking at that, 25.88 goes to 26.08.36 is an area from where we can see a possible push down. So if you have a pull up to this zone followed by bearish engulfer, that is my sell signal, or a double top pattern, that is also my sell signal. Or if you have a good and deep pullback below 50 EMA followed by bearish engulfer, wherever we get, that could be a big pullback to 50 EMA. And all I want to see a bearish engulfing pattern. If that happens, I'm going to go short till the price hit the next level of minor resistance, which is minor support, which is right here, the numbers in blue. For now, just look for sell trades here on gold, but expect a good pullback out of gold as well. Here on silver, the price just formed a bullish candle, and as you can see, not a valid bullish engulfer, but could be a bullish engulfer on your own platform if you're trading on your own platform. But looking at that, we can still expect a good bounce looking at this level of support. But if the price pushes up, forms a bearish engulfer, something like this, we're gonna go short again and look for the bearish engulfer. If we have a double bottom, that is a good entry condition from where we can go for another long trade. Look for bullish engulfers or 382 candle. If we have a pullback to this area, again rejects from here without a candle to close below this zone, and we have a condition, we're gonna go long. So keep an eye. We are still intact in the support area and expect a good bounce here, and double bottom is also in the play. Lastly, we have crude oil. It's nicely pushing up. If you have seen my yesterday's video, I've clearly mentioned that we are getting a possible double bottom. We do have a double bottom right here, but that is a very aggressive double bottom looking at this green candle right here. So looking at that, we are still below 50 EMA. Once we have broken above 50 EMA, in that case, we're going to start to look for the price to head higher, and we'll be looking at the possible level right up there. For now, I'm expecting a bounce out of crude oil, looking at this nice double bottom pattern here. Expect some range and then a possible breakout. Not selling unless we are broken below these lows. So if the price form a big red bearish engulfer, we can still get a push down back to this rejection zone from where we can see another bounce out of. For now, I'm expecting a possible bounce out of crude oil. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. And see you guys in the next video. Have an awesome weekend. Take care.